Good morning, babies. How are you all? Super? Yes, very good. Okay, so we are doing English and let's begin the day with the date first. Okay, so what is today's date? Today is 23rd December 2020 and day is Wednesday. Day is Wednesday. Okay, and babies, today we are doing a new topic, this and that. Okay, but before doing that, let's revise double E and double O sounds. Okay, when two E comes together, how do we say it? We call it E. Yes, and when two O are there, we say which sound it will give? Oo sound. Double E gives us E sound and double O gives us Oo sound. Okay, so just read these page one more time. B, C, tree, free, feet, beep, keep, deep, meet and feed. To, zoo, soon, noon, moon, mood, pool, room, zoom and food. Okay, so babies, this work you are going to do one more time in your English notebook. Okay, so let's do today's topic first. Okay, so can you read what is written here? Use. Long sound is there? Yes, because magical letter is there, two vowels are there, we'll call it U. We'll not say it a. Use of, the is this and that. Okay, babies, so do you know when T and H come together, it gives us two sound. It gives us two sounds. One is the and one is the. Here we are calling it the. The is this, the and that. Okay, so we are doing this and that. Okay, now, so see, there are some pictures near me. ये जो सारी pictures हैं, where I am standing, it is just near to me. Yes, and these pictures are not, they are little far from me. Yes, these pictures are near to me and these pictures are far from me. ये मुझसे near मेरे पास में है और these are far from me, वो मुझसे थोड़ी सी दूर हैं. Yes, okay. So babies, we use this for the near things जो हमारे पास में होते हैं, and we use that for the things that are far from us, जो हमसे दूर होते हैं, distant पे होते हैं, things that have distant from us. Okay, things that are near to us we use this, and things that are that have distant from us are we use that for them. Okay, so today, now tell me, where is this rat? This is a rat. Okay, so this rat is near to me, ये मेरे पास में है, तो I will write this is a rat. What will I write? This is a rat. Okay, so read it with me. This, the, is, this is a, this is a rat. R, a, t. This is a rat. This is a rat. Okay, sentence finish and we'll put full stop. Okay, but this cap is far from us. This cap is little far from me. So I will say that is a cap. What will I say? That. That is a cap. full stop. Yes? Okay. Now what is this? This is a hut and that is a tub. This is a hut. This is a hut. Full stop. That is a tub. That is a tub. Tub. Full stop. This is a bin. Where do you throw the waste? We throw that waste in the bin. So this is a bin. This is a bin. This is a bin. Now what is that? That is a bat. So write that, that is a bat. That is a bat. Okay. So what do you understand? We use this when the things are near to us, and we use that when the things are far from us. Okay. Now you are going to do this work in your English notebook. So you have two works to. Okay. One is you have to repeat this work again in your copy, and one page of this and that. Okay. Now page number 45. We are going to do page number 45. Okay. So just read them. Read it. My red hen. What is this? My red hen. Okay. Now read it. I have a red hen. I have a red hen. She is my pet. She lays 10 eggs in her pen. How many legs? 10 eggs. She lays. Babies, AY gives us A sound. Just like, okay, see here. Look here. A and I. They also gives us A sound. Yes. And A and Y. A and Y also gives us A sound. Now why it is giving us a A sound? Y is not a vowel, Y is a consonant, and we say when two vowels are working. No? But here Y is acting as a vowel. Y is acting as a vowel. That's why A is giving us a long sound. Okay? Like da a day, ba a be, la a le. Okay? So that's why here, because Y is acting here as a vowel, so it is the A is giving us a long sound. Okay? So she lays 10 eggs in her pen. 1 egg for you and 1 for me. 8 eggs in the pen. My pet red hen. One more time you want to read? Okay. I have a red hen. She is my pet. She lays 10 eggs in her pen. 1 egg for you and 1 for me. 8 eggs in the pen. My pet red hen. So page number 45 and page number 62. Okay. So these two pages you are going to read. Now we all know how to read. Read it one more time with me. The, yes, we, she, I, you, me, do, to. He, be, was, my, her, they, all, are, go, no. Your, come, some, said, here, there, give, so, buy and like. So we are going to revise the sight words. Okay babies? So this is all for today. Have a nice day.